Hello, my friends. How are you doing? Today, it's finally time to reveal to you my entry to the Benny Productions Medieval Challenge. You challenged me. I picked up on that, and it was one of the best experiences in my life. Also, we have to celebrate something, and I want to share what I've learned throughout that challenge. So let's get started right away. My name is Olivio. I'm a professional designer, and I want to thank all of my patrons who support me and make these videos possible. So here, first of all, is what we are going to celebrate today, and that is that my channel finally reached 40,000 subscribers. I want to thank each and every one of you, because it is so humbling, it's so amazing that I can be part of your artistic journey, to wake up every day where I can think, how can I help you? How can I share my wisdom with you, give you some tips and tricks, some secret sauce, be part of your journey, also learn along the way myself and become a better artist, help you do the same thing. Together, we are on an amazing journey, and I hope a lot more people are going to join in the future. So, a little word about Benny Productions Medieval Challenge. This is an amazing experience. So first of all, I want to announce that today is the day where I will start to do this myself every month. Of course, not piggybacking off his challenge, but doing my own challenges every month. So you have a full month to work on one work and then enter it, and I will review it in my live stream. This is going to be amazing because it's just a good experience, right? So this time, I absolutely want you, please enter into his challenge, because I'm a huge fan of his. I love his work. He's an amazing artist. But also, you can take part in the challenge on my channel too, because you can enter it in my Facebook group. I will link below the post for the super challenge, as I'm calling it, and then we will review that on the 25th of July, 8 p.m. CEST. So please also join that live stream. It's upcoming Sunday. So here are 4 things that I learned from this challenge, and 3 of them are actually becoming tutorials on my channel. Here's the first one: using stock pages a lot more. Now, in the past, I wasn't really a fan of stock pages because there is stuff like Unsplash out there or Pixabay. But the good thing about a stock page is that you find really high quality artistic materials very fast, and in that sense, you can work like a movie director, bringing all these amazing artists together, bringing all these amazing resources together to create the vision that you have in your mind and just stay in the flow. So for me, that was a really eye-opening moment. The next one, and this one is becoming a tutorial, is using the warp tool to bend everything into place. And in that way, you can be like a painter, just bringing all the flames and the smoke and the lightning and the light effects and everything you want in the shape, in the position, in the form you need it. It is such an amazing way to use that. So this is one of the best tools for composition and for photo bashing, which is the process that this is called that we're doing in this challenge. Now, here's the next thing, another tutorial that will come soon, and that is using curves for light and light color. So with curves, you can create amazing light effects. Again, feel really artistic, stay in the flow, and create these beautiful side lights that will give your subjects and your story a lot more shape, a lot more drama, and also guide the eye in a beautiful way. So I want to teach you how to do that. It is not as hard as it looks, and you can create such beautiful atmospheres. And here's already the last one I want to share with you, and that is also going to be a tutorial soon: color coding your layers. And that is also amazing. My mind was blown, because when you use a ton of different layers, color coding really helps you to keep the overview. And you might say, why not use groups for that? Well, the reason for that is because sometimes you have layers, and then in between other layers that belong to other things, and then other layers on top that belong to the layers below that. So you can't group them because there is stuff in between. But color coding will help you with that. It will solve that problem. So now it is time for the reveal. But before we get started, I please beg you, I have a link below where I entered my work to Benny Productions contest on Reddit. Please, when you're on Reddit, upvote that so he can see that, because I would be so proud, I would be so humbled if he can give me some feedback. He's just amazing, and I want to see what he says about my work. So that would be amazing. Let's get started with the reveal time lapse. Boom! So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, my friends. Thank you very much for being part of my community. I hope you liked it. Please leave in the comments if you want to see more like that. And like I said, I'm going to do a super challenge now every month. So we're going to have a great journey from here on out. Have a good day. See you soon. Bye.